Welcome to our channel, Offbeet Life. We'd love it if you'd stay and subscribe, and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. If you're new here, on our channel we share healthy living and wellness tips, plant-based recipes, exercise, and travel. Today we're here in the Offbeet Kitchen, and I'm going to be sharing with you one of our favorite easy recipes, which is a hummus grilled sandwich. It's a take on a grilled cheese sandwich, but instead of using cheese or even a vegan cheese, we're actually using hummus, which I find really easy and really delicious because most of us do have hummus on hand, so this is a nice one. It is one of those recipes that we often make when we're in a pinch, when we don't have a lot of ingredients on hand, or we're looking for a quick side to have with a soup or something like that. So what you'll need is some olive oil, hummus, your favorite bread. Here I've got a sourdough bread. I really like the sourdough because it gives it a nice tangy taste. And that's it. So what we'll do is we're going to gently brush the olive oil on the outside of the bread, on our first slice of bread. We're going to put the hummus in the middle. And you want to be generous with the hummus because, again, this is going to be your main flavor agent, and you do want that creaminess inside, or else it'll kind of be dry if you don't put enough. Okay, so you kind of want it to look like that. So we're going to close up our sandwich. Nice and firm. And now I'm going to take it to my pan that's been heating up at the back there. So now I'm going to put it oil side down in my pan that's already been heating up, and I'm going to give it a nice press. And while that's cooking, I'm just going to oil the other side of the bread. And the reason I use olive oil instead of the vegan butter is it just gives it, I find, a nicer flavor. But if you only have vegan butter available, feel free to use that. It's been about 5 minutes, and our one side has got nice and toasty, as you can see. Now it's time to flip it over. I don't know if you can hear the sizzle, but it sounds and smells delicious. Now for the taste test, I'm going to have Tahir come and join us. I think he's very hungry.
What's up, everybody? Yes, you are right. I am very hungry.
It's like 5:15 right now, and you haven't had any lunch, right?
Which never happens. I don't miss meals, but today's been a crazy day, and somehow, some way, lunch did not happen. And I've been waiting for this video to finish so I can eat this. So this isn't actually for show. I legit want to eat this quickly. So we're gonna take this taste test over with. Okay, here we go.
Here you go.
All right. That's proper. These taste amazing alone, or?
It would be really good, as I said before, as a side to some soup, especially roasted tomato soup. Excellent.
All right, so that's it for us for today. I need to go enjoy the sandwich. Thank you so much for joining us. If you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up and also share with your friends. Also, if there's anything else you want us to do a video on, a recipe, or any other ideas, please shoot us a comment and let us know, and we'll do our best to put that up there. All right, until next time, see ya.